How to remove pop-ups ad from Android mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can remove pop-up ads from Android mobile. Now removing pop-up ads from Android mobile device can be done effectively using a combination of browser settings, system settings and ad blocking apps. Here's step-by-step guide on how you can remove pop-up ads for free. So the step number one is what you can do is, in order to remove a pop-up ads, there is an inbuilt feature on your device. For that, you need to head over to your web browser. In the upper right hand side corner, you can see three dot icon. Go to settings. As soon as you click on settings, scroll down a bit and you'll be able to find an option as site settings. Click on it. On this page, scroll down and look for the option that says pop-up ads and redirect. Click on it. In order to block the pop-up ads, you'll need to toggle the switch and then enable it. After that, the pop-up ad will be blocked and you'll no longer be able to see the ads. Apart from that, what else you can do is you can also use third-party application. For that, you need to go to your Play Store and on the search box type in ad blocker. You'll be able to find multiple results. Now over here, what you can do is go through it all, explore each one of it and then install the particular application, whichever that suits your need. So in this way you can remove pop-up ads from Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.